Okay, now you notice that there is price fluctuate. Initially 255, later 283, but now 215.87 yuan. This is a power of bargaining. They can reduce the price at any point in time. Once they see that, once your supplier see that you want to make a payment, because I have screenshot this place and send it to the supplier to see that I'm serious about this product. So that is why they try to change the price for me. So now if I refresh now and I translate, so now I'm to pay 215.87 yuan. I'm clicking on this orange button here. So the payment page is going to load. So to authorize this payment, click on this blue icon. Now you remember the password you create for payment. So the 6-digit password is what you are going to enter into this box. So I'm going to pause the camera because of security reason. Okay. So payment is going to load and be successfully. So finally, you have done. This is the step-by-step on how you can place your order on 1688 Chinese website, live and direct practical recording by Rafi Yakub. And after you have gone to this stage, you can make a screenshot and go back to the seller and show them their payment. So go back to the 1688 app. So you click on this icon here. So this is my subscription. So get the payment made successfully. Then I will provide the screenshot. Now, for you to know if your order is on the process, you go back to icon. You see this here, this place here. Let me translate so that if I put my icon here. So this is pending payment. So your supplier needs to confirm your payment. After that, your goods will be moved to, this is to be shipped. So if I click on here, so I'm going to have the product name and the product description here. So you can see this ship product I just purchased. 2 pairs of this 41 size, 2 pairs of 40 size, 2 pairs of 42 size. 2 pairs of 41 size, 2 pairs of 39 size, and 2 pairs of 39 size in different color. So this is going to make it. So click on more. So this is going to make it total of 12 pairs of shoe. So let me scroll down. So we have 2 here, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 pairs of shoe. At the top here, this is my shipping address, the address given to me by my shipping company. So this is very much important. And at this point here, I will be expecting my supplier to send the goods to my warehouse in China. Saying from my warehouse in China, they move the goods down to me in Nigeria and start to make my sales. So this is how the process is done. And if you still have any further question as far as this practical video is concerned, you can feel free to contact me via the number on this screen. You can call, you can WhatsApp. So I hope you learn one or two things in this video. All you have to do is to keep on practice, keep on place order. With time, you will understand it full. So you can see now I have a message from my supplier. So he said, you agreed. So I will tell him again, please don't forget to write my name and phone number on the parcel. This is very much important, please. Very much. This is very much important. Thank you. Simple as that. So without the word I understand, you can see in capital letter, I understand. So this is how things are done. This is how things are done without using any agent. You too, how did you find us? It's time to tell me, ask me a question, how did I find them? I will just tell them keyword search. Keyword. So keyword search. So this is how you do everything without the assistance of any agent. You can purchase whatever you like by yourself. And with this, I'm done with this practical step and on how you can make your purchase on 1688. So if you still have any further questions, just reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.